Here's a crazy tech story for you. A Nebraska man cut off his finger while intoxicated, and almost 2 decades later, he's getting a new finger thanks to a 3D printer. I'm the CyberGuy, and all my tech tips to help you take back your privacy are over at CyberGuy.com. That is where you can sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter. Adam Knutsson was building a mini golf course for his son at home, and he said he was unfortunately mixing alcohol and power tools. He's attempted to get a prosthetic multiple times. However, the cost for that could be upwards of $20,000, and he's always been denied insurance coverage. That's when he decided to take matters into his own hands and found Paul Hadara, a New York City-based artist, photographer, and IT engineer via social media. Paul offered to make Adam a prosthetic free of charge. He posted videos of the development, testing the flexibility and durability along the way, and even showed many of his failed attempts at making Adam a new pinky finger. About 20 prototypes later, Adam completed the final version, and Paul is able to curl his finger for the first time in 15 years. While he has no background in the medical industry, Paul wanted to take on this project to learn how 3D printing could help in the field. Clearly, it can work wonders. For more news you want in the tech world, head to cyberguy.com. While you're there, sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.